BRAINCOM presents. Do you want to boost your brain power and improve your memory? Have you ever wondered about the power of food on brain health? There's a fascinating connection between what we put on our plates and how well our brains function. Food, you see, is not just fuel, it's information. It sends messages to our bodies and our brains, impacting everything from our mood to our memory. Our brain, this incredible organ that orchestrates our thoughts, memories, and emotions, needs the right nutrients to perform at its best. And certain foods, my friends, are like symphonies for the brain. They can enhance cognitive function, boost brain power, and even stave off mental decline. The science is clear. What we eat can significantly influence our brain health and memory. So, what are these brain-boosting foods? How can we incorporate them into our diet to ensure our brain is firing on all cylinders? Stay tuned as we delve into the 12 best foods to boost your brain power and improve your memory. Starting off with the first 3 brain-boosting foods on our list. First up, we have fatty fish. Picture a succulent piece of salmon or a hearty serving of trout. These types of fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for brain health. About 60% of your brain is made of fat, and half of that fat is the omega-3 kind. Your brain uses omega-3s to build brain and nerve cells, and these fats are essential for learning and memory. So, the next time you're out for dinner, don't shy away from the fish section of the menu. Moving on to our next brain food, we have blueberries. But don't let their small size fool you. These little berries pack a serious punch when it comes to your brain health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. They're like the fountain of youth for your gray matter. Studies have shown that blueberries can improve communication between brain cells, which can significantly boost your brain function. So, whether you like them in your morning smoothie or as a quick snack, blueberries are a must-add to your diet. And finally, rounding off our first trio, we have turmeric. This deep yellow spice has been stealing the show in the health and wellness world for a while now, and for good reason. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. It's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been linked to improvements in memory, eases depression, and helps new brain cells grow. So spice up your meals with a dash of turmeric for that extra brain boost. With these 3 superfoods, you're on your way to a sharper brain and improved memory. Moving on to the next set of brain-enhancing foods. Let's dive into the world of broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate. These 3 may seem like an odd trio, but each of them packs a punch when it comes to boosting brain health. First up, we have broccoli. Now I know it may not be everyone's favorite, but this green veggie is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins. It's rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which, when broken down, produce isothiocyanates. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are 2 main culprits in brain aging. Not to mention, broccoli is high in antioxidants and vitamin K, both of which are believed to support brain health. Next, let's talk about pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are a treasure trove of antioxidants, magnesium, iron, and rich in a wide variety of antioxidants. Magnesium is essential for learning and memory, while iron deficiency is often linked with reduced brain function. So, don't underestimate these little guys. They're small but mighty when it comes to brain health. And finally, the star of the trio, dark chocolate. Oh yes, you heard it right. Chocolate can be good for your brain. Dark chocolate, in particular, is loaded with flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Flavonoids are a group of antioxidant compounds that may delay brain aging and boost memory. Plus, the caffeine in dark chocolate can perk you up and keep your brain alert. So you see, these 3 foods, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate, are not just tasty but also offer an array of benefits for your brain. They're chock full of antioxidants, magnesium, iron, and flavonoids, all of which can help reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and even boost memory. Adding these foods into your diet can help protect your brain and boost your memory. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and perhaps a bar of dark chocolate. Your brain will thank you. Ready for more brain-boosting foods? Here we go. Let's dive right into our next nutritious trio that's not only going to tantalize your taste buds, but also supercharge your brain cells. First up, we have oranges. Now, most of us are familiar with oranges as a go-to source for vitamin C. But did you know that vitamin C is a key player in preventing mental decline? That's right. Eating high vitamin C foods like oranges can combat age-related brain degeneration, including dementia and Alzheimer's. So, the next time you're peeling an orange, remember, you're not just enjoying a sweet treat, you're giving your brain a healthy boost. Next, we're cracking into eggs. Often considered as perfect protein packages, eggs are a powerhouse of several B vitamins that are essential for brain health. For instance, B6, B9, and B12 are known to slow down the progression of mental decline in the elderly. Moreover, these vitamins have been found to play a significant role in synthesizing brain chemicals and regulating sugar levels in the brain. And the best part? Eggs are incredibly versatile. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or hard-boiled, it's an easy way to incorporate brain health into your daily meals. Finally, let's steep into the world of green tea. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just a beverage? Well, it's time to think again. Green tea is a brain-boosting superstar thanks to its caffeine and antioxidants. The caffeine in green tea doesn't just keep you awake. It can actually enhance brain function by improving brain connectivity, mood, and focus. Moreover, the antioxidants in green tea can protect the brain from oxidative stress, which contributes to brain aging and various neurological disorders. These foods not only taste good, but they're also good for your brain. So keep them on your grocery list. And let's continue to explore the fascinating world of brain-boosting foods. And last but not least, our final trio of brain-enhancing foods. First up, we've got nuts and seeds. Now, I'm not just talking about any old nuts and seeds. I'm talking about almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, the works. These tiny powerhouses are chock full of essential nutrients that your brain absolutely loves. They contain healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to better brain health and improved cognitive function. Think about it. Such a small snack, yet such a big impact. The second star of our final trio is the humble avocado. Despite being characterized as a fatty food, avocados are teeming with monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats that keep your brain cells happy. Plus, avocados are a rich source of vitamin K and folate. Folate helps prevent brain fog, while vitamin K protects the brain against stroke. So next time you're spreading that avocado on your toast, remember you're not just enjoying a trendy brunch, you're helping your brain thrive. Last in line, but certainly not the least, is peppermint. Now you might be thinking, peppermint? Really? Yes, really. It's not just for freshening your breath or flavoring your holiday treats. Peppermint contains a compound called menthol, which has been found to enhance memory and increase alertness. It's like a wake-up call for your brain. Plus, the aroma of peppermint has been linked to improved cognitive function, so don't hesitate to brew a cup of peppermint tea or even chew on some peppermint leaves. So, there you have it, folks. The final trio in our list of brain-boosting foods: nuts and seeds, avocados, and peppermint. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that your brain needs to perform at its best. Incorporate these foods into your diet and watch your mental prowess increase. So there you have it, the 12 best foods to boost your brain power and improve your memory. We've journeyed through the power of food on brain health, touching on the significant role of these 12 foods. From the first trio that includes avocados, blueberries, and broccoli, to the final trio of turmeric, walnuts, and dark chocolate. Each food item carries its unique benefits. They are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that not only enhance your cognitive abilities, but also protect your brain against aging. Imagine enjoying these foods, not just for their delightful taste, but for the remarkable benefits they offer. Each bite, each sip, becomes a step toward a healthier, sharper brain. Remember, your brain is a powerful tool, and the right foods can help keep it sharp and focused. Start incorporating these foods into your diet today and experience the difference. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so then you get notified of our next post. Also, to learn about many other interesting topics, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.